This video is filmed in partnership with Wildog 4x4 accessories. The day had finally arrived. It was time to head through to the Wildog Fitment Centre and let the installation begin. The Suzuki Jimny really needed a bit of a boost in the reverse light department, and these have definitely done that. Finishing off the rear bumper with the final touches. Now fitting absolutely perfectly. It would be somewhat sad to see the original Suzuki parts go, but knowing what was to come, it would all be way worth it. Fitting things like the new lights, and the number plate brackets, and just a little Wildog touch here or there. When it comes to the front bumper, the new spotlights are super bright. I even had a look at testing out some of the lights from Hella, deciding between an LED bar or traditional lamps. Now I'll have super easy access to the roof rack in no time. Just being able to step up onto the side steps and reach everything on the roof. The whole look of the vehicle has completely been changed. I think it really gives the new Jimny quite a rough and tough look. But at the same time, not only looking good, but being practical. I can't wait to get out into the wilderness and put these to the test. Join me in the next video where I head out to the forests of Kloof for a really special adventure. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and I will see you again soon.